Hi, so today we are going to solve weather observation station 1 question. This comes under the skill set of SQL basic, which makes it a beginner's question. So let's get started. Before I start solving my question, I will change my server to MySQL. And now let's read the question. Query a list of city and state from the station table. So this is my table. It has got 5 columns and 2 different data types. Data type means number is my integer type and the variable character is my string type. That means alphabetic or numeric. It can have anything in it. So let's get started with the query. First select. Now the columns I specifically need. City, I will add a comma. State, from the table name is station. And let's run the code. So the code is running just fine, and here I could have added ID as well, or maybe latitude, or any column out of these 5, or if I would have wanted information on the entire columns, then I would have added an asterisk. The important thing to know here is city, that you always separate those column names or the columns that you want by comma and not by and or. It's always by comma. So the code is running just fine, and I'll just submit it. So thank you.